So I'm using this paper that's for taping, and it's a little thicker than my normal stuff, but I need to get in here and mark these angles that I'm going to cut out right here, because I want, this place is pretty good right here, but it's bad down here. So I'm going to weld this, stitch this across here, and then I'm going to spot weld it up here like this in the front where it's really nice. This is really good up here, but I got a couple little holes right there that I want to get covered up. So I got to take and clean this all up, clean it up here, clean it up here, and I'll cut this all out right here up to like this point right here, and then overlap, and then I'll do my spot welds or fillet welds there, and I'll stitch weld right here, because yeah, it's a little thin right there. I mean, it's not horrible, but I could probably fix that, but I don't know. I don't want to mess with it. So I'm gonna put good steel in there. But in order to get that done, I've got to take this paper, and I'll take and put this paper against the edge there, and I'll mark it with a pen, and then use this as a template to cut out my steel. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I got the paper cut. It all sits right in there, really nice. So now I'm going to take and transfer this onto a piece of steel I got left there. And then we'll put it up in there, get it tacked in, and get it screwed in. And then I'll weld it across there while it's sitting there in a bunch of tacks, take the screws out, and then I'll probably cut out this section. It's bad right there. Cut it out just inside there. Like that. Back at it. now that I have the etching primer on, I'm going to put the seam sealer on it, and then we'll hit it with some bed liner, and then take and let that dry up and then paint it, and we'll be moved on. But I'm going to do the other ones. Got to do that, got to do that, got to do that, and I got to fix the hidey hole. So I think I'm going to end the video right here. Got this one done, as I've said in the other parts of the video, and I did a little bit of painting, a little bit of filler work on the nose cone today. So gonna go home and spend some time with my wife and family, and get ready for the week. So this is it for today on this video. I hope you enjoy it, and more to come. Stay tuned.